What is up, guys? ChickMC7 here. I am so sorry that I haven't been posting videos this whole summer. I've been doing like lots of schoolwork and camp, like baseball and stuff. And I just switched my camera starter, like I redid like the camera. I'm tired right now. I'm not using the app I was using because it wouldn't post all of the full footage of my videos. Why are my eyes? Sorry. Okay. So the reason why I haven't been doing it is because I've been having baseball and stuff. I just signed up yesterday at Greater Holiday Little League. And yeah. And if you guys are wondering which camp I went to, I'm going to Next Level Training. I highly recommend it. I did 2 weeks. I did this speed and agility, which is the last day this week, and I did the hitting camp like a week ago. And yeah, I'm gonna brush my teeth right now, so you guys are gonna see me brush my teeth. Yeah. So yeah, I'm sorry I haven't been posting videos, but I will be posting a video for challenges, and I will be doing some gameplay too, because I know that all of my friends have seen it, but they haven't been like commenting on it, and I keep saying subscribers, and that's gonna not get me subscribers. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some gameplay videos, maybe Skylanders and stuff, until I get an Xbox. I'll probably, because I don't have my Xbox yet. I was supposed to, but I don't have it. Yeah, so I'll be doing Superchargers, Skylanders Superchargers gameplay once I get it. I think there's 23 chapters, maybe 18. I don't know. But yeah, I will be doing some gameplay. If you guys haven't subscribed to Yellow Vios, please search him and subscribe. He's my friend from middle, and he's a really cool guy. So yeah, make sure you guys subscribe to him. And yeah. So this video is just a blog video. And I'm going to show you. I just got a whole bunch of new ones. Skylanders. I just reorganized. I can't switch the camera. I got all the traps. I got all my trap team in there, which you guys can see. It's hard to see though. Okay, there. That's not just all of them. I have way more. I just redid my SWAT Force collection. I just got King Cobra Kadabra because I went to GameStop and I finally found him. And when I was little, I found this laying around. I found my gold Supernova Flameslinger. I don't know why I unboxed it when I was little. Probably because I didn't know what they were. I also have my two glow-in-the-darks. Glow-in-the-dark Cinder, who came in the giant starter pack. And glow-in-the-dark Sonic Boom, which is easy to find. You can probably find him at GameStop for about $10. Same with Cinder. Yeah. So, thanks for watching, and I'll check you later.